All right, part two of this because I hit the 15-minute limit on my previous video. And unfortunately, I did this whole section and then the screen recorder crashed. So I'm going to give you the highlights version. So what I did, I had this collision.other tag equals portal. I did some Googling and found this scene manager. Talking about the Googling a little bit here. Can we find it? No. Might be over here. Yeah, how to switch between this Unity, go to new scene. I had no idea how to do this. I had to look it up. And I looked at some of the answers and they were a bit out of date. You have to be really careful of that. So 2011 answers. There's a lot of changes between 2011 and now in Unity. So I went to this one, which is the main docs. It's not a tutorial, so it can be harder to understand. It's just supposed to document it. But it did tell me that I needed to use this scene manager.load scene, the scene name. So what that looked like in my code was scene manager.load scene scene2. We got an error when I started to run it, and I looked back here and it said I needed to add, or it didn't say it, but I looked for differences and found that this was a difference. I didn't have this scene management using in. So I copied that and pasted it into here. And then it still didn't work, and the reason was we got an error popped up in the console which said I needed to add the scenes to the build. So I went into build settings. It told me exactly what to do. It's kind of annoying though. The only way you can add the scenes to the build is add open scenes, which means I needed to go into scene 2 and add that, and then it worked, having added sample scene as well. And having done all of those things, I am now in the situation where I've got the thing where I run onto the ground and I'm still on, it sends me back to the beginning, and when I touch the portal, I'm in this new scene here. So hopefully that's enough to get you going as well.